What?
The shaver up here had a split. And we took it over to Dennis last week. That's about it. We wanted it to make it look right. We had some cloth.
Okay, who's Jason sitting back there? Cross Street for you?
And I didn't have a hair for it.
He's got a Spirit 76 tractor. Yeah. Who's originally?
Oh yeah, his dad
We're at the 2011 Ford County 4th of July days, and got a little bit of a tractor set up here. We have Hannah's 55 Cub, got my old ugly 48 Cub, and got it hooked up to a 4E hammer mill. We'll crank it up here in a little bit.
Well, we're going to have this on you. Plant trees on with that planter, yeah. So now we're going to have this on you.
Yeah, I got a couple different screens to run in it.
You guys are set up here, it looks like.
Well, these tractor shows get boring. You don't have anything to, you need to show what else you did with the thing besides just sitting here.
Some hands-on stuff here.
We'll grind some air corn here.
Yeah, we got
then we'll change screen.
Got a 1/2 inch screen in it,
Yeah.
and not sure that's a pretty fine screen for cornmeal, and about a 1/4 inch screen. We'll grind a little with each of it and see what it looks like.
Okay, it's
There's ground ear corn with a 1/2 inch screen. You see that?
No, it's cobs are ground. Yeah. And then it's got the little double bagger.
dead here?
Nope.
Stay in there until I come and get you.
Yep. Yeah, we'll try the 1/4 inch screen. Bunch of niggas up off
I'm going to buy another big box.
shelled corn through a 1/4-inch screen. We got that back there. Yeah, we can use that other one. Yeah. We thought these tractor shows did something. That's a good idea. So they're videotaping. They're put it on YouTube. You know, there's a lot of useful stuff on YouTube. We were trying to figure out that we've got an 04 Dodge coming, and the fuel filter is kind of a pain to get to, so get on YouTube. Well, here, guys, it's all detailed. So this is the 3/8-inch screen, right?
1/4-inch.
Or 1/4-inch.
No, this is right here is that fine screen. So you get about cornmeal out of that fine one.
Never seen one that small.
Yeah, those are good.
That's what they made them.
Hannah.
What are we grinding today, Hannah?